In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Wise to bank account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw your money from Wise to your personal bank account. So to get started, go ahead and receive money on your Wise account. And once you have enough funds on your Wise account, you can simply click on that send button. You'll find that below your current balance on Wise. So click on that. Now in here, you'll be able to find this my account section. So you can find all in my account section. So click on that, and under that you'll be able to find all of your accounts. So if you want to add an account in here, you can simply click on this add a recipient button, and in here simply select your currency on your country and click on this enter bank details. Since you want to receive that to your bank account, click on myself, and in here you just need to enter your full name, bank name, and account number. You can also connect your Wise account into your e-wallet. So make sure that you enter the correct details of your account and hit on that confirm button to confirm the connection with your bank account and Wise account. Now once you have actually connected that account, you can simply go ahead and click on the send button beside your account, and in here you simply need to enter the amount of money from the currency that you receive, and you'll be able to find the equivalent of that money that you receive on your bank account. So you'll need to simply set this into Wise USD balance and click on that continue button to continue sending the money from your Wise account into your personal bank account. And that is how you can simply withdraw money from Wise to bank account. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.